Welcome to this Easy Computer Fixes channel, and here is a little tips and tricks video. If you're on Windows 10 and you want to make sure that you don't get the major updates that are pushed every 6 months, there's a simple tip that I can give you. It works on every version of Windows you'll have, of Windows 10 of course. And so this comes from the fact that, of course, the October 2018 update is coming up. Maybe you don't want to go there for, compatibility reasons, or you just don't have the time to deal with these updates. You want to have, know what people think about it before you do it to make sure there's no problems. So you can actually defer the update for the October 2018 update. And every 6 months when you get a new version, you can actually, wait to install it by using this little trick. In Windows 10, simply go into your notifications area and go into settings. Once you're in settings, you will go into your network and internet. Here you will see you're connected to the internet. Just go to change connection properties. And you'll see here at the bottom there's something called set as metered connection. You turn this on. Once this is on, it doesn't prevent security updates from actually getting on your system. So for example, next week is Patch Tuesday. That means that you will have the security updates of Patch Tuesday available. And if you wish to get the latest update, for example, the October 2018 update at some point, all you have to do is come back here and just put the switch back at off. And you will see that the October 2018 update will download after that. So it's as simple as that, and it's a easy way to make sure you don't get the latest big updates if you don't want it right now. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.